Hey, Carol.
What, Bob? What is it?
Just get your raisin ass over here.
I'm here. What do you want?
I've learned to dance, and I'm going to show it to you now.
Bob, I don't.
Shut up and watch me dance, woman.
Fine, show me your dance.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to start now.
Come on, Bob, get on with it.
I'm starting in 3. I'm starting in 2. I'm starting in 1.
Bob, I don't have all day.
Shut up, woman!
Okay, jeez.
Here we go.
Great.
Okay, look over here. Down. Up. Down. Carol, isn't this amazing? Now I'm gonna do a little jig. Look like a balloon. Up with the right wing and down. Now I look over here.
This is dumb.
Shut up, woman, I'm dancing. Now I slowly move upwards while waving my wings like this. And back down like a sprinkler. I call this part the sprinkler. Carol, do you like it?
No, Bob, I don't care for it.
Woman! I'm the best dancer ever.
Bob, look, something more interesting than your dance.
That's it, woman, I'm coming over there. Damn it, these twigs are in the way. Ha! I have the blueberry now.
That's great, Bob.
Woman, I will peck your eyes out. Look at me move. I'm so smooth. And back to the sprinkler.
Bob, why?
Now I'm in your face.
Bob, get out of my face.
Never!
I'll peck your head.
No!
Hey, come back, idiot.
Woman, what did you just call me?
She called you an idiot.
Carl, shut up.
I can do a better dance.
No, you can't.
Sorry, man. It's true.
You guys are both idiots.
Woman, will you shut up?
I'm still a better dancer.
You get back here.
Bob, come back, you moron.
One day Carol will be mine.